In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoCharting News Feed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to open it, and what you're looking at so you can stay on top of market-moving headlines without leaving your chart. First, open GoCharting. You can do this in your web browser or through the app, whichever you prefer. Give the workspace a moment to load so your chart and toolbars are visible. Once your chart is up, your focus will be on the right side of the screen. Direct your attention to the right widget bar. This is the vertical panel along the right edge of the workspace that holds a series of small icons. It's designed to keep important tools one click away while leaving your chart in full view. If your screen is compact or you've customized your layout, just remember you're looking for that slim strip of icons aligned to the far right. Within that right widget bar, look for the News icon. Depending on your theme or version, it may be labeled News, or it might show a small newspaper or newsfeed symbol. If you hover your mouse over the icons, a tooltip will usually pop up to confirm you've got the right one. When you've identified it, click the News icon. Clicking the icon opens the News section pane. It typically slides out and docks on the side so you can keep your chart in view while the news appears alongside it. This design makes it easy to keep one eye on price action and the other on developing stories. Inside the news section, you'll see a running list of the latest headlines and market updates. These items are context-aware, meaning they're relevant to the instrument currently displayed on your chart or the symbols you follow. If your chart shows a specific market, the feed aims to surface updates related to that market so you can quickly connect headlines with what you see on the screen. As you scan the list, take note of timestamps and sources to gauge freshness and credibility. This helps you separate routine commentary from potentially market-moving developments. The feed is ideal for a quick situational check. A sudden spike or drop on your chart often makes more sense when paired with a timely headline in the pane. That's all there is to it. Open GoCharting, spot the right widget bar, click the news icon, and review the tailored headlines that appear. Keep this pane in your regular workflow to stay informed and react with context. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using the GoCharting News Feed to keep your analysis both visual and informed.